Hi friends, we're going to read Me, Jane together today, and our goal is to look for key details that show us what Jane does to be curious. Me, Jane by Patrick McDonnell. Here's the title page with a great photograph of Jane when she was little, holding, do you remember? Let's see if you remember who that was. Jane had a stuffed toy chimpanzee named Jubilee. She cherished Jubilee and took him everywhere she went, and Jane loved to be outside. She watched birds making their nest, spiders spinning their webs, and squirrels chasing one another up and down trees. Jane learned all that she could about the animals and plants she studied in her backyard and read about in books. Here's her journal. We'll stop there and think. Can you name a key detail that shows how Jane was curious? Think. And then tell your home teacher.